Hello and Happy New Year. Welcome to Anatomy and Physiology. I'm so delighted you're taking the class this term. It's a great time to be learning all about your body. You've got a lot more free time than you normally do because of the pandemic, a lot more home time, and therefore more time to study. Anatomy and Physiology is awesome. The first part is a little challenging. I'll help you get through it. Be aware that I am not just your instructor. I am also your first resource to come to when you have any problems whatsoever. So I'm happy to help you. We don't have to ever meet in person. We can meet online, by telephone, by Zoom, by Collaborate. There's all kinds of ways to meet where we don't have to meet in person. It can be short and sweet. I can give you study tips. I can help out when you have issues. So please come to me for help when you need it. Anatomy and Physiology will probably be the most challenging class you've ever taken. It's not me that makes it challenging, it's the topic. And it's challenging all over the world for every student who ever takes it. Many of my students here at Southeastern Community College don't have a strong foundation in science. So I'm used to that. I understand what it's like to come into a class like this without a big foundation in science. And those are the things I can help you with. My goal is your success, and working together, I think we can ensure that. So be aware that I am here to help you pass this class and move on in your career. I hope you have a wonderful term, and Happy New Year.